In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop audio in Canva 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into Canva. Once you're in, either create a new design or open an existing project. If you're working with video or animated graphics, you'll see a timeline at the bottom of the screen, which is exactly where we'll manage our audio. If your project doesn't show the timeline, switch to a video-sized canvas so the timeline appears. Next, add your sound, head to Elements and open the Audio tab to browse music and effects, or go to Uploads if you've brought your own track. Drag the audio onto your design. You'll see the clip appear in the timeline, and you can press play to hear how it fits the visuals. Choose a track that suits your project's mood and pacing, and keep usage rights in mind if you're using third-party music. Click the audio clip in the timeline to select it. You'll notice handles on the edges. Those let you trim the clip. If you want a smoother loop, consider trimming the start and end to a clean musical phrase or beat, so the join feels natural. You can zoom into the timeline for more precision and use the playhead to preview the exact transition point. With the clip selected, right-click it and choose Duplicate. Canva will create a copy of that same audio segment. This allows you to extend your soundtrack without importing a longer file or editing externally. Now drag the duplicated clip so it sits immediately after the first one in the timeline. Let it snap right to the end. No gaps, no overlaps. Play across the boundary where the two clips meet and listen for any clicks or abrupt changes. If you hear anything distracting, nudge the trim handles slightly to find a cleaner in point or out point. Small adjustments here go a long way toward a seamless loop. Repeat that duplicate and drag pattern until your audio covers the entire duration you need. Keep playing through each join as you go to make sure the transitions remain smooth. If your video is long, it helps to zoom out for a big picture view, then zoom back in to fine-tune the joins. You can also lower the music volume from the toolbar so it sits comfortably under voiceover or on-screen action. When you are happy with the loop, preview your entire design from start to finish. Confirm there are no gaps, sudden jumps, or timing issues with your visuals. Then you're ready to download or share your project, confident your audio loops cleanly for the exact length you need. That's it. Simple, repeatable, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in Canva.